If you want a huge harvest of tomatoes, this method of planting is a great way to start. In this video, we will first prepare the bed and then plant the tomatoes while giving them a starter liquid to boost their growth. This technique isn't just for tomatoes. It works for peppers as well. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the season, we harvested carrots from this bed, and now the carrot leaves will be used to prepare it instead of throwing them away. These leaves help improve the soil. First, they need to be chopped into small pieces so they break down more easily and release their nutrients. A few handfuls of chopped leaves go into a bucket or container, followed by a few handfuls of compost. The container is then filled with rainwater or non-chlorinated water. After mixing well, the container is covered and left for at least 14 days. During this time, the leaves and compost decompose, creating a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. This liquid will be used during planting to give the tomatoes a strong start. For bed preparation, the chopped leaves are spread over the area where the carrots were harvested. These leaves provide organic matter that improves soil structure and fertility. Next, neem cake is sprinkled on top. Neem cake serves multiple purposes. It keeps pests and soil-borne diseases away, while acting as a slow-release fertilizer. Once applied, a layer of fully decomposed manure is added. Manure is rich in essential nutrients and enhances the soil's ability to retain moisture, which is crucial for healthy root development. A waiting period of about 2 weeks is necessary before planting. This allows the leaves to partially decompose and release nutrients into the soil, making it richer and more fertile. After 2 weeks, the bed is ready for planting tomatoes. Holes are dug in the bed, slightly deeper than the root ball of the seedlings, with a spacing of about 12 inches. Proper spacing ensures that plants have enough room to grow without competing for nutrients. The tomato seedlings are carefully removed from the tray. And about half of each seedling is buried in the hole, rather than just placing it on top. This promotes stronger root development, helping the plants absorb more nutrients and water. After planting, the seedlings receive a diluted version of the liquid prepared earlier. This fertilizer is rich in nitrogen and other essential nutrients, helping young plants grow quickly. To prevent excessive nitrogen intake, the liquid is diluted by mixing 1 part fertilizer with 5 parts water before applying it at the base of the plants. This boosts growth, making the plants healthier and stronger. With this method, tomatoes get the best possible start. The combination of organic matter, neem cake, and manure improves soil quality, while the liquid fertilizer provides essential nutrients for faster growth. The same method can also be used for peppers, offering similar benefits. For more videos on organic fertilizers, gardening techniques, and plant care, check out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to support the channel.